Before we kind of explore private equity a little bit more, private credit more, so forth and so on, what are some of the universal features of these? Meaning that sometimes, like for example, we'll sit down with a client and they'll literally come in with a questionnaire to say, look, hey, I pulled this from the website or I pulled this from the internet to say these are the 10 questions I need to ask a financial advisor before I consider hiring them. In that vein, what questions would someone have to ask when considering any of these investments?
I would definitely ask what the minimum investment is.
Okay.
What the fee structure is. The lockup periods. 'Cause some of these investments, they have a significant lockup period where you can't access your funds for upwards of 10 years. So that is definitely a question that I would ask. And the fees can be structured differently. There's usually a management fee, and then there's usually an incentive fee as well. So I would try to get a good understanding of what those fees are and have them explained to you.
Yeah, and tell me about the fees, because I hear like 2 and 20, right? Mm-hmm. Isn't that like a very mini rule of thumb that a lot of and I'm not sure if that's all, if that's just private equity or private credit or whatnot, but when it comes to fees, people throw out that term 2 and 20. Mm-hmm. What does that mean?
So a 2 and 20 fee is a 2% management fee. So whatever assets you have with the manager, it's 2% annually. And then incentive fees are any returns over a certain watermark. So they have to hit a certain point for the returns. And then 20% of after that watermark is the incentive fee.